Welcome to our first EdTip of 2018. This week, we'll be looking at the extension GMass for Chrome and Gmail. This is very similar to the add-on Autocrat for Sheets. However, it is much easier to use and straightforward. First, you'll need to add the extension to Chrome by finding it on the web store. You can also add it by going to their website, gmass.co. Once you have it installed, you'll see the icon in the upper right-hand corner with other extensions that you have previously added. Your Gmail will also look different because there will now be these two red icons at the top by the search bar. So now that you have GMass installed, what can you do with it? I like to use it to send personalized emails to students with their grades and any work that they might be missing. In order to do this, we'll need to create and format a Google Sheet in the same account that we added GMass to. Once we open the sheet, we'll need to title it and add the headings for each column. It is always useful to have the first and last names in separate columns, so you can send an email with just the first or last name if you wish. Next, you'll need the students' emails, the grade they received, and any missing homework. Now we'll go back to our Gmail and click the first red icon that looks like a table. Here, we'll connect the sheet we just created to Gmail. Now, I can create the email to the students. Since I want the email to be personalized and say the student's name after the hello, I'll click on the button for GMass settings. From the drop-down next to Google Sheets Personalize, I'll select first name. Now, when the students receive the email, it'll say their name. I can then continue the email as normal. Since the grade will be personalized, I'll need to select the grade tag from the settings again, just like I did with the name. Finally, I'll add any missing work that they might have. Any word that has brackets around it is personalized and will therefore pull the information from the sheet. Finally, in order to send the email, you need to press the GMass button, not the send button. If you press send, the tags will not work correctly and will show in the email. You can view the sent emails in your sent folder, and this is an example of an email that would have been received by the student. As you can see, it says the student's name, their grade, and any missing homework. GMass is a great tool to use for teaching because you can easily email personalized messages to multiple people at a time with ease. Therefore, you can let students know what homework they are missing, their grades, or when they have a scheduled meeting with you, all in a few clicks. Stay tuned for another EdTip from Aquila Education shortly, or visit our blog at aquilaeducation.com to view past ones.